Hi friends, today we're going to read a book called What Color is Nature by Stephen R. Swinburne. Color is everywhere in nature. You can see nature's color in many places, such as a baseball field, or at school, in your backyard, and in the woods. What did she find? Do you see that squirmy worm? Pretty cool. Gardens are the very best places to see lots of colors. There's color on flowers and vegetables. There's color on moths and turtles. There's color in the trees. Some things are one color. Some things are two colors. Some things are many colors. When you see something, do you know its color? What color is the grass? What color is that? Do you know? Yeah. Green. What color is the salamander? Orange. What color is this apple? Red. What color are these shells? Black. What color is this flower? Kind of tricky. Purple. What color are these peppers? Green and red. What color are these seeds? Let's see. Brown. What two colors are these 5 animals? Do you see the 2 colors on these? What colors are they? Black and white. Have you ever seen a cow that looks like that? A little bit different. Aren't you happy we're surrounded by so much color? I am. THEEND, the end. Thanks for reading today, friends.